Hold on to your shopping carts, folks. Have you ever dreamed of a place so huge, so packed with stuff, that you could literally furnish a whole castle, open 5 restaurants, clean up after a dozen toddlers, and still have leftover toothbrushes for every squirrel in the park? Welcome to Yiwu International Trade City's Daily Goods Market, the Disneyland of dish rags, the Amazon of spatulas, the Louvre of laundry baskets. Picture this: over 70,000 booths. Yes, 70,000. That's not a typo. If you visited one booth every minute, non-stop, you'd finish sometime around next Christmas. And that's just the daily goods section. We're talking about acity within acity, where every single stall is bursting with things you didn't know you needed, plus 100 things you absolutely do. What kind of daily goods? Oh, where do I start? Let's go category crazy. Kitchen wars. Spatulas that look like lightsabers. Chopsticks that glow in the dark. Garlic presses shaped like cute aliens. And measuring cups that sing when you hit the exact gram. Bathroom bonanza. Toothbrushes in 500 colors including zebra stripe and unicorn drool. Shower curtains with famous paintings. Toilet brushes that double as modern art. And soap dispensers that quote Shakespeare. Cleaning carnivals. Mops that spin like helicopter blades. Dustpans with LED lights. Scrub brushes made from recycled yoga mats. And trash cans that whisper thank you when you feed them. Storage madness. Baskets within baskets. Boxes that stack into a mini Eiffel Tower. Vacuum bags that could flatten a pillow into a credit card. And hangers that actually hang. Revolutionary. Party paradise. 10,000 types of balloons including ones that smell like pizza, plastic forks that turn into tiny catapults, and cake toppers that dance. The Macarena. Pet pampering. Bounty eyes for turtles, raincoats for hamsters, and a chew toy shaped like your grumpy neighbor. And that's just 1% of it. Need a nose hair trimmer shaped like Ericat? Got it. A lint roller with Hello Kitty? 3 floors of them. A bucket so colorful it makes rainbows jealous? Follow the giggles, you'll find it. Why are prices so low? You'll suspect time travel. Simple. Super size me. China style. Factories here make 1 million toothbrushes before breakfast. When you buy that many, each brush costs less than the water you use to brush. Neighbors help neighbors. The zipper factory is next to the bag factory, which is across from the fabric factory. No shipping. No waiting, just hey, pass me 5,000 zippers. I'll pay you later. Everyone fights for your dollar, with thousands of suppliers selling similar stuff. Competition is fiercer than a grandma at a Black Friday sale. Prices drop faster than your jaw. Skinny profits. Happy hearts. Yiwu traders believe in sell 1 million pieces. Earn a dime each. They'd rather you leave with a truckload than squeeze every penny. Varieties? Oh honey, we have varieties of varieties, because Yiwu is like a buffet where every chef tries to out crazy the next. One day someone says, let's make a toothbrush with a bendy head. Next week, there are 200 versions, glittery, musical, edible, and one that tweets your brushing time. Suppliers here are faster than TikTok. Trends, they watch what sells, then make 10 new designs before lunch. And because every tiny factory can do small batches, you can order just 500 purple squirrel-shaped dustpans. Try that anywhere else, they'll laugh you out of the building. Why does everyone flock here like seagulls to a French fry? Suppliers, because Yiwu is the world's daily goods Hogwarts. If you make anything for the home, you either move here or you cry yourself to sleep. Buyers, because you can fill a shipping container with a month's worth of inventory for the price of oust. Bicycle, and you'll meet buyers from 200 countries all speaking hand gestures and calculator. Trust, Because Yiwu has been doing this for decades. If you're a scammer, the aunties here will chase you with a feather duster. Reputation is everything. Now let's talk about the Canton Fair. Fancy, big and once or twice a year. That's scrat if you Ray Walmart or want to order 50,000 units of one spoon, but for small shops, mom and pop stores, neighborhood supermarkets, Yiwu is your superhero. At Canton Fair, you need appointments, name cards, interpreters, and a bank loan. Minimum orders? Sorry, 10,000 pieces per color. It lasts a week. Miss it? See you in 6 months. At Yiwu, you walk and point at a rubber duck. Say, I'll take 20, and they say okay. Here's a discount for 30. Mix and match like adjective by 100 mugs, 50 spoons, and 3 weird toilet brushes. No one blinks. Open 360 plus days a year. Rain or shine, typhoon or heat wave, the goods are flowing. Prices are on the tag, no haggling required. Though haggling is a fun sport here, you can buy one sample, test it in your store, then come back for 500. Try that at a trade fair. They'll think you ray a spy. For a small supermarket owner, Yiwu means shelf-ready products at wholesale prices without selling your left kidney. You want a dozen different pasta shapes? Done. 50 kinds of kitchen towels? Pick your colors. Party supplies for every holiday. Yiwu has holidays you've never heard of, with decorations to match. So dear future daily goods millionaire, pack your most comfortable shoes, bring an empty suitcase or 10, and fly to Yiwu, China. Whether you race stocking at any corner shop in Ohio or a supermarket in Nairobi, this is your paradise. Come see the boot H's, smell the plastic haggle for fun, and leave with a container full of dreams. And hey, want more Yiwu secrets? Which markets have the best Christmas decorations? Where to find the cheapest balloons? How to ship without crying? Follow us, we update like crazy with new tips, market tours, and ridiculous product finds. Don, be a stranger. Yiwu is waiting, and so is your next bestseller spatula. This is your Yiwu buddy, signing off. Now go make your store the talk of the town with a dancing cake topper. You Ray, welcome.
Hey.
我揍你了啊！你别回家了，你家小孩。
看一下。
那你东西这个东西跟这个比嘛？您摆的东西这个不能是跟这个比嘛？
就是单的像单烧吧，像这种。啊，单独的。
对。